Today we are hosting a customer meet at Kollam. This customer meet is a great opportunity for Madhus to meet and demonstrate our equipment to all our customers and our prospective customers. We have invited tire shops, invited car workshop owners and multi-brand garage owners to come and have a look at all our equipment. We have specifically displayed the Hunter range of wheel aligners and wheel balancers in a working condition, so we can actually demonstrate the working of these equipment. Similarly, we have also displayed our spot welder and our AC charger inside the hall. After this, of course, there will be a nice interaction. We also have some presentations and some speeches planned out, and after that we will all enjoy some drinks and dinner together. We have successfully completed our Kollam customer meet here at the Leela Ashtamudi Kollam. We had almost 200 guests who came here, interacted with us, and quite a few people actually spoke up in favor of Madhus and sort of recommended Madhus and our equipment to the other participants. We also got a chance to showcase our equipment to some people who have not yet had the taste of Madhus equipment, and that for us is a great victory. So we close today's program on a very high note, and we look forward to the next customer meet wherever it happens.